this is the router. I don't see any seal. Okay, it's here. Alright, so let me try to open the seal. Okay, this is the router. Looks a bit dirty for some reason. For some reason these stickers are separate. So looks like no stickers are there on the router as well. Not sure why do we have multiple stickers. Anyway. So what accessories do we get? It's a very tiny box and most probably 12-volt adapter. Let's see the specs. "12-volt 1 ampere adapter, standard thick plug, and one Cat 5e cable. And some basic documentation. I think it is in, yeah, you have it in English as well. Warranty statement. Quickly going through the router itself. Shouldn't show the back portion. Okay, unboxing. Need this removal. Now I do have some issues with this kind of antenna design, because you cannot move these antennas left and right. Only up and down you can do. So that's the reason these antennas may not be good for range, but I'll be doing a detailed review of testing the range. There is only one LED here. There are no other LEDs. Probably, yeah, this is a button. So this is how these antennas are. They won't go beyond this point, so you can only move up and down. You can't move them anywhere else. And I'm not sure if you cannot even wall mount this router. So that's another issue. Alright, so I'll be reviewing it and I'll be posting my observations accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.